On our first day, we went to the gardens by the bay.
So, my tita is here! Well, just one. It was supposed to be two. Long story short. And we're just gonna walk around. I don't know where we're going yet.
We went to Satay by the bay for lunch. Went around looking for the best satays.
So we're in Satay by the Bay, and this is like a hawker center near the gardens by the bay. We're just waiting for food right now, and I'm so excited. I'm actually not that hungry, but I'm keen for food. Yum!
First, we went to the Flower Dome, which was so good because they had a Japanese cherry blossom event. So I felt like I visited Japan. The Flower Dome was so full of people. This was my favorite part, the cloud forest. There's a waterfall inside the dome. It was amazing. I went so close to it, I didn't even care I was getting wet because I had to do it. Inside, there's walkways that goes around the mountain and the waterfall.
Oh my gosh! They are scared for their lives. Look at this.
I love seeing the view from the top. Seeing people walk around, seeing the plants on top of trees. We went back to the hotel to rest for a little bit, and then came back when it was dark, so we could see the super trees lit up and waited for the light show to start.
She's like really panicking because you can see through the floors, and she's scared of heights.
This was definitely the highlight for me. I've always wanted to see them in person. That's why I chose to go to Singapore.